Cleardata are one of the UK's leading document scanning businesses. We scan millions of documents every month. When Cleardata first started, I couldn't really afford it, but we went for ISO 9001 for quality. So we grew as a company with a culture of quality embedded in our employees. The people that we employ and our quality culture is the thing that sets us apart from the competition. We did try other scanners, other manufacturers, but absolutely, hands down, Kodak Scanners are the best scanners in the marketplace for me. There's bigger scanners out there, there's scanners that might say they do go a little bit faster, but our experience of testing them all and running them is Kodak is absolutely the best quality, the speed's brilliant, we love Kodak. The Kodak scanners are really good at dealing with lots of different types of documents being thrown at them. Some of these bigger scanners out there are really good when they're set up to do one type of document all the time. Find that with the Kodaks, through testing, no matter what you throw at them, business card size, A3 size, thin documents, thicker documents, they can handle them all. And we're analysing the speed, the process, the throughput, and the Kodak scanners, especially the new ones that we've just bought, enable us to scan at the highest speeds possible, keep our price competitive, and also offer the brilliant quality that our customers are used to. We've had a look at some of the really big conveyor belt type scanners out in the marketplace, but you can almost buy 2 or 3 of the 5850s for the same price, and they'll definitely throughput a lot more documents, so it absolutely makes sense to go for the Kodak model. With the document separators, in the past what you used to do is put them through the scanner, and you used to have to pull the separators out at the end or leave them and then have to use more separators, which is increased print costs or more staff time. With the new ones, the scanner actually makes that decision and pops them off into a separate tray, which is absolutely fantastic. And one of its other key features that we found quite useful is when we're doing jobs where, say, the material is a bit thicker like a card, used to be very difficult to do on the old scanners. On the new i5850S, it's got a seamless feed, so it goes straight through and out the back of the scanner, which means you get a perfect scan and it's not an issue anymore. I know the Kodaks can work with other bits of software, but actually through a lot of work that we've done ourselves in here, we've learned that the Kodak Capture Software itself, in conjunction with these new scanners, is absolutely the right thing to do. It costs not too much more to get this sort of software, but it's the best in the market. It gets the speeds really efficient, and the quality of the documents coming out are fantastic. Also, its ability to spot things like bleed through on documents, blank page deletion and stuff like that. Fantastic, the Kodak Capture Software, so we always opt for the software as well as the scanner with Kodak. From a service point of view, when you run a business, when something goes wrong, it's really important that you get quick responses. The service guys are out really quickly. If they can't repair it there and then, they're certainly back with the parts to get it done. The service is brilliant from Kodak, and I can see we're using them for years and years to come. As managing director of the business, one of the things I've definitely got to look at is the bottom line. And I would not have made the decision to buy these scanners if they didn't prove themselves to us, and they definitely are proving themselves to our business. The efficiency, the throughput, all gets improved by how good the software is and how good the scanning technology is. We've bought scanner after scanner after scanner, and we're not stupid here. We wouldn't do that if it wasn't improving our bottom line. These new scanners are brilliant for our business, and the throughput and the speed of them is absolutely fantastic.